Alright, today I'm going to replace this mirror. I think it should be pretty simple. In my mind it's going to be pretty simple, so I'm not going to need to watch any videos. But I'm going to record it for when I do mess up. I'll be able to see what it was like before, so I know how to put it back together. Okay, I had to spray these down real good. Two of these screws were very difficult to get out. This bottom one was rusted, and this top one was really difficult. It's not rusted. They're all out now. Well, not yet. I'm going to spray this one down pretty good. It's got some rust on it. I'm going to spray the hole out, clean it. You can see the rust coming out of there. Hopefully that'll help. I think it should just pull right off like that. Ah, see, it's plug and play. This probably wasn't worth the video, but if anybody out there has got to do the same thing, don't take it somewhere, just do it yourself. This is obviously going to be extremely easy. One thing I did notice, I'm going to take you over there. On the side of the box, it's upside down right now. I'll see if I can flip it. It says this style Velvac mirror ships opposite of what it actually is. So it's shipping as a driver's side instead of the passenger side. When you first take it out of the box, I'm reading this upside down, sorry. You need to loosen the set screw and swing the mirror head 180 degrees. The manufacturer ships these mirrors like this on purpose. Okay. Sorry, I read that like a kindergartner, but it is upside down. I could have just flipped it, I guess. This probably would have been just as easy. If you could see it. I can't see what you're seeing now in this position. So it comes with new caps to cover the screws, but it doesn't come with new screws. I was hoping it would. I know I don't have anything this size laying around, so probably just going to go ahead and drive these in and out with that WD-40 in there by hand. Get any dirt out of there. Okay. Try and wipe some of this off before I put it back together. That's not going to cut it. That stuff all comes off with the mirror smacking it. So there's 3 set screws on there. They're all Allen's. This is one thing I hate about moving is I gotta go find them. I don't know where they're at. Okay, it's a 3/16 Allen. It says loosen the set screw. It doesn't say screws. But I'm going to loosen all three. $180 would be like that. Oh, that's way out. Is that right? Yes. Oh, there we go. If I got to adjust it, I could probably do it on the vehicle. There is what looks to be a self-adhesive what do you call it, gasket on there. I don't know if that's going to come in or this is going to go in further. I'm just going to take this sticker off. One person can definitely do this, but I would recommend 2 people to do it. There's only one way this can go on. That's it. It's gonna be like this. Having a screwdriver here wouldn't have been a bad idea. Get away from me. There's nothing here for you, Mr. B. There. Loosen that a little bit. That's on there good. This is not right. I'll be looking all the way east or something. That's not going to be good. That looks better right there. Kitty, kitty. Hey, kitty, kitty. Right in front of the car. That's a good one. Okay. Probably don't need these inspection stickers. They look like they're going to fly off. Satisfying. There we go. Now I'm going to go try it from the inside. I'm not going to be able to see it. I'll have to go by you guys in the camera. I'm going to have to review the footage because I heard the driver's side go, but I didn't hear the passenger side. Well, I'll mess with that later. It's on. I can do it, but manually need be for now until I get it adjusted. So I added these, what are they called? The generators. vector generators, whatever they're called. All the way, both sides. On top, I don't know if I'm gonna be able to see those. I did lose a red marker. I have one on order. And there was 4 left over. And it was recommended by another YouTube video. Add them here. So I did on both sides to go around the wheel, to move the air around the wheel. It's supposed to help with stability and a very little bit of gas savings. Also, I added the blue aux to this. I know I talked about not towing anything, but I already have the camera up there. And I realized just bringing this home, there's times I might need a second vehicle just to drive to get something to eat, because this doesn't fit very many places. Those are called Vortex generators. I'm mixing up with the name of the mirror, which is Velvac. All these V words are getting me mixed up. I believe that this is if this is not working, it is a fuse. I have to find a fuse. There's a lot of fuses on this thing. However, this shouldn't have to come back off, because the plug only goes in one way. But when that mirror came off, those wires, they were loose and they were touching. So it probably just blew a fuse. I'm going to put these caps on. That'll be it for this. The reason that one screw is so rusty is it didn't have a cap on it. There was only 3 caps. That works nice. It goes on there real nice and smooth. 2. I hope I don't have to pull this back off. I'm starting to wonder, did I maybe crimp a wire when I put this all on? Oops, I lost one. There we go. The mirror is done. I do have everything I need to repair these windows, get rid of that fogging and that moisture. I have everything I need except for the energy and time. No, I have the time. I just don't have the energy. It's another project I'm working on. I took those 2 AGMs out. They're golf cart batteries, I guess they are. And I put a lithium LiPo 4 in there, 100 amp hour. Probably gonna add another 100 amp hour to it. Same thing that was happening with those is happening with the LiPos. Except for these are swelling. You can tell they're swelling up. That's why I was worried that they're gonna start leaking in there. When plugged into shore power, my LiPo 4, well, none of the batteries charged. They were not charging on shore power. If I start the engine, they charged them. So I'm going to hook up to the plug that came with that battery. I'm going to plug it in to keep it charged, like float charged. Because in the middle of the night last night, I left all the belly storage lights on. It's all in one switch. I think that's what did it. Plus I had the furnace on, the refrigerator, all running off the battery. And the hot water. I wasn't using the hot water, but it still has to keep reheating. And oh no, it heats off of propane. That's right. Well, anyway, I woke up in the middle of the night. It was about 60 degrees, so I felt the temperature dropping. That's when I went to turn the light on, and the lights don't come on when the battery's dead. So I'm going to hook that up now. I'm really surprised this thing doesn't have an outlet outside here, like a 120 outlet. Like if you're out camped out somewhere and want to plug something in, you got to run a cord from either that far belly pan way down there, or I could hook an inverter up to this one down this way, or I could run it out the door, which I won't do.